Hi all, very good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to add a new post using Gutenberg. You can use this editor on posts or pages. How I reach the screen is you go to your dashboard and say new post or a page. Coming back, so this what you see here. Okay, I'll remove this and I'll type again. This is the title of your post. So there are different blocks that you can add here, and that is where this plus button comes into picture. You can also add using this plus button at the top. I'll show you both. Okay. So let's say plus, and I want to add a paragraph. So I'll click paragraph, common blocks, and this will come. Okay. So let's write some test text. A few important things is you could make it bold, italic, link it just like you used to, and you can always change the size for it also. So here you'll go medium or large. You'll see the text settings here where you could change the size. This is really handy. And another thing you could do is you could change the color for it. Okay, so again, for that, you can come to color settings. You could either change the text color. Let's see if I want to make it red, I'll just do this. Or you could change the background color. So you come here and say, let's say blue, and you want it written with white. So this is like really handy for adding colored blocks. Now let's paragraph. Another most important, like frequently asked question is how to add headings. So click on this plus button and you can say heading. This is coming for most use for me because I use it regularly. You can type heading to get it. Okay, so you have heading. You can change what type of heading. Let me say heading 2, and I can also have heading 3. I'll show you how to convert one block to another in a minute. Test heading 3. If I want that, I'll come here. You have this conversion and I want to transform this to heading. I'll select heading, and in heading I want heading 3. I'll come here and select it. So we've covered so far. This is the title, how to add colored blocks, how to add paragraphs, how to add headings. Let's quickly see how to add images also, right? So here I'll go again plus button, image, and you can upload from your PC or you can add from the media library using these buttons. Now another thing that we usually use is if I want to add a video. You go and say video and you embed a video here. So you can upload or you can insert from URL like YouTube, in which case it'll get embedded. What else do we use mostly here? Let me just see. In case if you want to add a shortcode, you can. In case if you want to add custom HTML, you can. So these are different blocks. You've got lists, you've got spacing. So, you could do anything that you want to with these blocks. And these are really easy. Let me show you what comes on the right hand side. You could publish from here on the right hand side. You could preview. And in case if I want to change the permalink, I'll go here and change. If I want to change categories, I'll click here and give categories and choose the one that I'm using. If I want to use tags, I can. I usually do not use tags. You can set a featured image here by clicking on this and going to the media library and setting the image that you want to. And what else? I think so. These are the most commonly ones options that I use. And okay, so that's all. In case if you have any questions, feel free to connect with me. In general, always keep your headings as headings and paragraphs as paragraphs. It's good for SEO. That's a small tip out there. And in case of in case, okay, let me just show you these also. In case if I want to go to a particular block, I can use these navigations. So it'll take me, in case if you have a long like article, this is useful. And that's all for now. Once you're happy with your post, just go ahead and publish it. You could also preview for this, and this can be used for this editor can be used for post as with this pages. So um, so any questions, feel free to ask me in comments, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye and take care.